How to recover your hacked Instagram account. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to go through a step-by-step guide on how you can recover your hacked Instagram account. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your Instagram application. You'll most probably land on the login page over here. Now all you have to do is tap on the forgotten password button down below, and you need to find your account first. You can do that by entering your username or your email address. So let me just quickly enter that and then tap on continue. Once you do that here, it will send you a verification code on that email. All you have to do is enter the code here and you should be able to reset your password in no time. So this is one of the very first things that you can do to recover your account easily. Now, if you don't have access to this, so as you can see here, I've already gotten the code. That is 107316. I can just enter that 107316 and tap on continue. Now you can select your account and create a new password for your account. This is one of the ways to recover your account on Instagram. What you can instead do as well is open up your web browser and then simply search for Instagram recovery. Hit enter. Click on the first link, I can't log in, Instagram's help center. And once this link opens up, go ahead and tap on see if your account has been hacked, or you can go to the page to recover your Instagram password. Then once that is done, you can tap on no and tap on other, select, and briefly explain that you're not able to recover your account. Then they'll get back to you when your email address. You just need to follow their instruction and you'll be good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.